Hello YouTube. If you grew up in the 1980s like I did, you will definitely remember Garbage Pail Kids stickers made by Tops, but you might not have heard of these. These are Tops cheap toys. They're tiny little figures. There were 10 in the whole set. You can see them all here. And I decided to collect a set because I've collected all of the UK 1980s Garbage Pail Kid sets, all of the stickers, and now I just thought it would be cool to have these little figures as well. Now, although they're called cheap toys, they're far from cheap toys anymore. Like, each figure will probably cost you 15, £20. I was quite lucky because I got most of a set for £25, bargain. Then I just had to get the last couple of figures, and I was kind of waiting until I found a couple that were reasonably cheap. I managed to pick them up, but there is a bit of an issue with this because I decided to collect flesh-coloured figures. By the way, the reason for collecting flesh-coloured figures is because they look really similar to the muscle figures, which I also have a set of. So the problem being that there are at least two different flesh colours, if not three flesh colours. So if you look at these first two figures, you can see they're subtly different. I think the first one is dull peach and the second one is called bubblegum peach. I'm not entirely convinced because it could just be as well that they've just faded over time, some of them, and some of them haven't faded. But there is definitely another figure that I've got that is a completely different flesh colour that I bought just because it was called just flesh on eBay. When I looked at the photo, it looked the same as all these others, but when I got it, it looks completely different. So I will need to at least replace my last figure. You'll see it in a second. I just wanted a complete set and I wanted them all to look exactly the same colour. So I'm going to do that at some point. And obviously I'll just sell off the last ones that I don't need anymore. So this is the one that's a completely different colour. It was just labelled as flesh. But you can see it's much more of a orangey flesh. It's not orange. Definitely not the orange figure. That's different. Right, these are the sweets that used to come in the packet with one figure. Pretty cool. They had names of other Garbage Pail Kids characters on them. So because I'm completely new to these little figures, if you happen to know anything about the various flesh coloured ones, if you could let me know in the comments, that would be really helpful. Like, is there just two different flesh colours or are there three flesh colours? That would be very handy to know. There are obviously other colours of these as well, and people quite often will sell a complete set, but there'll be various colours in there. You can see how tiny they are when I pick up this mismatched colour one on the end here. Garbage Pail Kids stickers were one of my favourite things in the 1980s, along with Kenner's Star Wars figures, Madball's Head Poppers, Rock Lords, and also Food Fighters. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Hit subscribe to see anything that I post up in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.